Hey, how you doing everybody? This is John and I'm here just to do another video in San Antonio, and here we are at the Quarry Market, or otherwise known as the Alamo Quarry. And as you can see from the building out front, that's called the Quarry Cinema. The Quarry Cinema used to be an old abandoned cement factory that the city of San Antonio or somebody purchased and revitalized it and turned it into a cinema. Most of the buildings are over here, just developed all around it. It's an outdoor shopping area, as you can tell. It's really nice. Have many shops, jewelry stores, restaurants, grocery stores, coffee shops, and you got PFC Chang's and some other places. So this is a great place to go to. A lot of interesting things. If you ever come here at night, if you ever visit San Antonio, it's close by the airport. The smokestacks turn different color, light up, which is really neat. So just another popular area to come to and check out here in San Antonio. There's some other interesting things to see here at the quarry, and we'll just go ahead and check it out. Okay, and by the see what you see is an old Ford Horse tractor by the one of the main entrance over here to the Quarry Market. For those of you who want old antique vehicles, I'm pretty sure it's not running, but looks pretty neat. Like I said before, this place is really nice to go shopping and to see the sights. And again, so if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, comment, or like. And if you ever come to San Antonio, check out the area and check out the smokestacks, and you'll have a lot of fun. Okay.